Chevrolet Corvette Z28 2026 emerges as a raw, track-focused evolution of America's iconic sports machine, delivering an experience that blends modern engineering with old-school muscle car aggression. This model is engineered for performance enthusiasts who crave precision, speed, and a visceral driving feel. The 2026 Z28 retains the bold and aerodynamic silhouette of the Corvette lineup but incorporates aggressive enhancements such as wider fenders, deeper air intakes, a more sculpted front splitter, and an adjustable high-downforce rear wing crafted to improve stability during high-speed cornering. Lightweight materials, including carbon fiber elements and aluminum-intensive construction, help reduce overall weight, offering sharper responses both on the street and at the track. Under the hood, the Corvette Z28 2026 is rumored to feature a naturally aspirated 5.5-liter V8 engine, pushing performance to thrilling new heights. The flat plane crank design allows the engine to scream to higher RPMs, delivering an exhilarating soundtrack and rapid throttle response. Power output is expected to exceed 600 horsepower, giving drivers a combination of brute force and refined balance. Paired with an advanced dual-clutch transmission, shifts are lightning-fast and perfectly timed, ensuring momentum is never lost whether accelerating out of corners or launching down straightaways. The drivetrain is complemented by performance-tuned suspension components, including adaptive dampers, stiffer springs, and track-ready anti-roll bars that help maintain superior grip even during aggressive maneuvers. Inside, the 2026 Z28 keeps things focused and driver-centric, favoring functionality over luxury without sacrificing sophistication. Lightweight sports seats with firm bolstering hold the driver in place, while the steering wheel features a flat-bottom design wrapped in high-quality suede or leather. Digital displays provide essential performance data such as G-force readings, lap times, tire temperatures, and customizable driving modes. Though minimalist in feel, the cockpit offers modern conveniences like wireless smartphone connectivity, a premium audio system, and an intuitive center touchscreen. The combination ensures drivers enjoy a technologically advanced environment without losing the pure motorsport essence. The driving experience is where the Corvette Z28 truly shines. Built for enthusiasts who prioritize handling and precision, the car offers razor-sharp steering feedback and impressive stopping power thanks to carbon ceramic brakes. Michelin Pilot Sport Cup or similar ultra-high-performance tires help translate engine power into exceptional traction, allowing the car to carve corners with surgical accuracy. Aerodynamic improvements keep the Z28 glued to the pavement, generating significant downforce at high speeds and enhancing confidence for track day warriors. Overall, the Chevrolet Corvette Z28 2026 stands out as a pure driver's machine, combining modern innovation with classic performance principles. It's designed for those who want a car that feels alive, rewards skill, and delivers heart-pounding excitement every time the engine roars to life.